Optiflex Genesis with 2.2mm closed cartridge delivery system. Biotech introduces new closed cartridge single-use disposable delivery system to implant Optiflex Genesis in a spheric hydrophobic monofocal IOL. The system is compatible for IOL delivery through 2.2mm incision size. This delivery system requires just a few steps to follow. Peel off sterile blister and take out injector and cartridge. Inject adequate amount of any Biotech certified OVD from the backside of the cartridge as shown here. No need to overfill the cartridge with OVD. Take out holder containing IOL from sterile IOL container. Pick the IOL with help of forceps designed to be compatible with this cartridge. Insert the lens in inverted S position in the cartridge as shown here, and ensure that front haptic is folded over the optic while placing the lens in the cartridge. Ensure that the front haptic doesn't remain unfolded or straight to avoid lens unfolding with posterior side up in the capsular bag. At this time, the cartridge must be held in bevel down position. Push the lens into the cartridge in such a way that it is placed beyond the narrow entry of the cartridge. Use the forceps to turn and place trailing haptic over the optic. Ensure that the trailing haptic is properly folded and is over the optic. Now close the hands of the forceps and turn it 90 degrees as shown here, and push the lens deep into the cartridge. While attaching cartridge to the injector body, IOL symbol must be visible on top of the injector body, and the cartridge must be held in bevel down position. Attach the cartridge with injector body. Push the plunger further and observe the forward safe movement of the IOL under the microscope. Insert the cartridge tip in bevel down position into the incision. Push forward the plunger gently until the IOL is delivered in the eye. After IOL injection, remove the cartridge tip from the incision and carefully remove the OVD completely from the eye before closing the wound. Enjoy using this advanced delivery system to implant Optiflex Genesis IOLs. Optiflex Genesis. Experience visual brilliance.